Hey guys, it's Zach at Myshire Farm, and today is hatch day. So we thought we'd take a small little video just showing you the hatch. So I'm going to open it up here. And we had a pretty decent hatch. You can come over here and check out all the babies. We got those. We got those. We got those. And then we got these. So pretty excited about it. I am going to do my best. I've got some stuff to do on my to-do list today, but I'm going to try my best to take a picture of each one and start on that video as far as what color is what as far as chicks go. So I don't know if I'll get to it, but I will do my best. But we are hatching out about 900 a week now to get caught up on live birds. So just thought it would be kind of interesting to see it. So we just take them over here into the big tray. And then we just put a certain amount in each one. So I have 3 brooders in a row that's ready. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you liked it, and stay tuned. I've got more videos coming your way. Thanks.